This is Mitra classes. The photograph shown the student of standard 12 who passed in 2019 and 20, that is last year. The percentage of the mark is shown here along with their school name, and this is a good achievement by the student. Now we are going to discuss GOC of the organic chemistry. GOC, General Organic Chemistry of main organic chemistry. Now, GOC of the organic chemistry is first part is known as the isomer. The definition of the isomer we have read in standard 10 earlier. Isomer is defined as the same molecular formula but different arrangement, different structure, etc., causing the different chemical as well as physical property. Now, broadly divided isomer in the two groups, structure isomer and stereoisomer. Structure isomer further divided chain isomer, position isomer, functional isomer, metamerism and tautorism. Structure isomer also divided geometrical isomer, optical isomer and conformational isomer. Now we are going to discuss in detail of the subgroup. First, chain isomer. It is defined as when two or more compounds have similar molecular formula but different carbon skeleton. Formula is the same, carbon to carbon skeleton are different, and as a result causing the chain isomer. Example, pentane is being subgroup three way. One is a normal pentane, another is known as isopentane, another is known as a neopentane, and whose IUPAC name also attached here. But formula remains same. As a result, these isomers having the different chemical as well as physical properties. Next we are coming the position isomer. In position isomer, when two or more compounds differ in the position of the substituent atom or functional group. Please note substituent atom and functional group. On the carbon skeleton, they are called the position isomer, and this phenomenon is termed as a position isomerism. Example, propanol, that is also normal propanol. Here is a propane 2-ol. You see OH is being attached with the first carbon. Here OH is being attached with the second carbon. And as a result, it is a different arrangement of the structure and causing the different properties. Next, functional group isomer. Molecular formula same but different functional group. Example, two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but different functional group are called a functional isomer, and this phenomena is termed as a group isomer. Here, functional group here is a ketone, that is this is a functional group of ketone, or here is a functional group is a aldehyde. Next you see here metamerism. It arises due to different alkyl chain on either side of the functional group in the molecule. That means here it is a functional group O, that is ether, and the different group of alkyl chain CH3 and C3H7. In the second molecule, we have also ether, but alkyl group is being different. Earlier it was a CH3, now it is a C2H5 and also C2H5. That is known as a metamerism. Now, tautorism. Tautorism is a special type of functional isomer when the molecule have the same molecular formula but different structure formula due to wandering nature of hydrogen atom in between two polyvalent atoms. These isomers are called tautomer and their property is known as a tautomerism. It is also can be considered dynamic equilibrium position. Here you see this is a keto form, that is CO form, and here it is become a enol form. Meaning keto COO converted to OH group. That means it is an alcoholic group. And enol मतलब OH is all and En मतलब double bond, carbon hydrogen it is a double bond. This is the En group and this is the all group. So that means it become a enol form. Now, stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is a vast area and especially it will be read in details in class 12 in coordinate compound. But we have given you a little bit idea of the stereoisomerism. What is this? The compound is that have the same constitution and sequence of covalent bonds but differ in relative position of the atom or group in a space are called the stereoisomer. मतलब suppose is carbon is having the 4 different group and the arrangement the group with respect to other is being changed, then it is to be considered the stereoisomer. And the special type of isomer is called the stereoisomer and can be classified as geometrical, optical and confrontational isomer. Example. What is the geometrical isomer? Geometrical isomers have the same structure formula but differ in the arrangement group at a single atom. A double bonds. It can be either single atom or double bonds or rings. Example cis and trans form. Cis trans isomer. Here you see this is the case of double bonds. So this is the double bonds. With respect to double bonds, the group in the upper side, matlab that is my reference line, and that means this is one hydrocarbon, another group of hydrocarbon, both are in same side. Whereas next one is upper and another is down. That this is called transposition and this is known as a cis position. And it will help to us later on for the chemical reaction, whether it is very slow or fast, whether it is chemical reaction will be occurred if we know whether it is a cis form or trans form. Next, optical isomer. Optical isomer is the isomer which is differing is only one characteristic, that is interaction of the plane polarized light. What is the meaning? And we have to detail study it is what is called plane polarized light. That is a separate issue we will discuss later on. If the plane polarized light pass through the optical isomer, the light will be change the direction either clockwise or anti-clockwise. The arrangement of the group is being changed. Orientation is being changed, not group is being changed. Example here, these two isomer, if we see reference line this, the right hand side you see NH2OH and double bond and HO. If I see here, the right hand side has been changed, OOH and CH3NH2. That is only differ. And as a result, the direction of the plane polarized light pass through, when it is passed through this, is being changed. Again I am repeating, when a plane polarized light pass through the optical isomer as shown here, the orientation of the plane polarized will be changed. Either it will be clockwise and anti-clockwise. If it is a clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise means positive, anti-clockwise means negative. Here, not being discussed, it is a separate issue, we have to read in class 12. Next, conformational isomer. This is the last of the isomer of this group. Conformational isomer is a form of stereoisomer in which isomer is interconverted just by rotation. What is the meaning? Suppose we have a two carbon joined by single bond, that is sigma bond, and these two carbon can be rotated, and as a result the group of the group or element attached to two different carbon is being, orientation is being changed. Based on this, we have divided this Seahorse projection and Newman projection. Example here you see, carbon to carbon is a sigma bond, and the different group or the same group, hydrogen 1, 2, 3, either may 1, 2, 3. Here carbon to carbon is being, can be two state. As a result, this hydrogen and this hydrogen location by orientation can be changed. In this figure you see here, carbon to carbon, and the group of the carbon is a hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Now, this is being carbon to carbon rotation is being done. As a result, you see this hydrogen, this hydrogen become a parallel, and this hydrogen also parallel, and this hydrogen also parallel. And this is, if I see from the top of the carbon to bottom carbon, then one hydrogen will be overlapped by another hydrogen, overlap the other hydrogen. But here hydrogen, there is some angle, that angle may be 30 degree, 40 degree, whatever you say. When you overlap, when the one group and another group is being overlapped, then it is called eclipse conformation. If it is not overlapped, it is not staggered conformation. Further, it is also to be read in class 12. Example here, overlap is being shown here. In second figure, whatever we overlap to each other, you see from the one carbon, we are looking from another carbon directly vertical. So this hydrogen and this hydrogen in the same line, and similarly this hydrogen and this hydrogen also same line, this hydrogen also same line. It means, that means only we are able to see one hydrogen from the top, and that is called eclipse conformation. Here the one hydrogen make some angle, that means 6 different hydrogen can be looked, or here only 3 hydrogen can be looked. So this is, you see here the angle is, twisting angle is being shown 60 degree, etc. Now this is our end of the discussion of isomerism.